Oh, UPSC aspirants. So today I got this new SD card from Byjus for IAS Tablet program. Okay, and I have already uploaded videos for IAS Tablet unboxing and also what you will get in Byjus IAS kit, IAS package, all the books and every material and how to order and what will be the loan procedure. Everything I have covered. You can find all these videos in the link and then in the description. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. I'll be uploading a lot of new tutorials, UPSC materials and scholarship, everything. Okay, so please do subscribe. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay, what's there inside the pack is, okay, so what's there inside? So it's the package, so the covering of this. So what is there inside? Okay, so this contains this teeny tiny SD card. Okay, in this packing there is only one SD card. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so here is the SD card. You can see here, oh, this is 128 GB. This SD card contains 120 GB. Wow. So this SD card is supposed to having all the latest updated videos from Byjus. Okay, yeah, that's it. So in upcoming videos I'll be uploading video how to install your SD card in your existing tablet. Okay, after that I'll also tell you how to use your SD card in your phone. Okay, you can install your SD card in your phone and you can access all the videos. Okay, and also I'll tell you how to get your free SD card, how to create your new SD card. If you're having already the tablet program or anything, you can get new SD card from Byjus. Okay, so thank you, and do not forget to subscribe, like, share. There will be a lot of videos coming for Byjus tablet program, scholarship, tutorials, UPSC materials, everything. So please do subscribe.